Disney just revealed the new 5-song soundtrack for Rock and Rollercoaster starring the Muppets, but here's the problem, it doesn't open for weeks. But luckily I live next to Disneyland Paris and they have a Rock and Rollercoaster too, well kind of. A few years ago it was rethemed to Avengers and is now called Flight Force, but it's the exact same layout and roller coaster. So I'm heading into the park to test every single song on the same ride to find out which one actually works best. Now, these songs will feature the Muppets, so I don't have the versions that will appear on the ride. But I do have headphones and Spotify, and thanks to someone I'm just going to call Greg, I have a Muppets Rock and Roller Coaster playlist. If it wasn't a foggy day, you'd actually be able to see Newport Bay Club from here. I'm really getting my cardio in this morning. I'm walking past Hotel Cheyenne, Hello Fish, and Donald's Mate. And here we are at the newly renamed Disney Adventure World. If you're not sure what the name of the park is, don't worry. They've written it at least twice for you. Straight to Avengers Campus and straight onto Flight Force. The story of this version is that we're helping Captain Marvel and Iron Man save the world from some incoming space missiles. All the other Avengers are busy doing more important things, so they're sending us into space instead. We're basically bait so the heroes can blow everything up. Seems legit. Now, you're not allowed to film on this ride, but it's inside in the dark, so to give you an idea of what it looks like, here's a bag over the camera. And so they don't question why I'm wearing headphones on a roller coaster and putting my hood up. And because I don't have Disney's massive budget, I can't play the actual songs. So I'm just going to say the chorus for you. Don't worry, I'm not going to sing. First up, Born to be Wild. I think this one's going to be the best because it's a classic rock tune. Headphones in, let's rock and roll. Like a true nature's child, we were born to be wild. We can climb so high, I never want to die. Born to be wild, born to be wild. And since I was inside, the sun has come out. And nothing says rock and roll like Disney Cruise Line red sunglasses. I was totally right. That was awesome. But now, I'm not sure it's going to be the best. Next is Song 2, and Song 2 is Song 2 by Blur, and I like Song 2 by Blur. I reckon this one is going to be one of the best. When I feel heavy metal, woohoo, and I'm pins and I'm needles, woohoo, well, I lie. And I'm easy all of the time, but I'm never sure why I need you. Pleased to meet you, and yes, those are the lyrics. I checked. The launch hits exactly on the chorus drop. Love Roller Coaster is next, and I'm guessing they chose this one because it literally has roller coaster in the title. I genuinely couldn't remember how this song went before I hit play. Roller Coaster of Love, say what? Roller Coaster, ha ha, ho 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 ho. And then I remembered the Red Hot Chilies covered it. This one loses energy halfway through. I took a quick break to wander around Avengers Campus. I bumped into Spidey and Captain America. Neither of them thanked me for the 3 times I saved the world. You're welcome, fellas. Just 2 songs left. Next is Walking on Sunshine by those well-known rockers who won Eurovision for the UK in 1997. This is a total wildcard. I'm walking on sunshine, whoa. I'm walking on sunshine, whoa. You get the idea. The pacing doesn't match the ride layout, but it is going to be popular with people who listen to Magic FM. And lastly, a band that could also be something you'd find in Animal Kingdom, Def Leppard. I said rock, rock, till you drop, rock, rock, never stop. Rock, rock, till you drop. I say rock, rock, till you drop. Good advice there. Yeah, this one rocks. This will have all the dads, and probably granddads now, rocking. To catch my breath and figure out my top track, I grabbed a cinnamon roll and a Coke Zero from Adventure Bay. So after testing all 5, here's my ranking from worst to best. 5 Walking on Sunshine, 4 Love Roller Coaster, should have got the Chilies, 3 Def Leppard, 2 Born to be Wild, and of course number 1 is Song 2. Now imagine this, what if Disney let you pick your song before you ride? What are you choosing? Let me know in the comments. And here's a video about the best and worst times to visit Orlando so you don't end up queuing for 6 hours when this opens.